Hello, my name is Rhett. I'm a solutions engineer at Verkada, and this video will cover the guest check-in process from the perspective of front desk staff. Verkada Guest is accessible from a web browser. On Verkada Command, go to the product menu and select Guest. This is the guest home, the main page front desk staff will interact with. This page reports all of today's visitors, shown as rows in this log. From this log, a visitor's badge can easily be reprinted and visitors can be signed out. Filters at the top allow for easy visibility into who's signed in and signed out. High-level information about a visit is displayed from the log, but each row is clickable to show more information. Inside Visit Details, you'll see all documents a visitor has signed, all answers they provided, and other relevant information. Here you can also add pertinent notes and allow entry to denied visitors. Front desk staff can easily pull up visits from previous days by adjusting the calendar at the top or by using the search bar. To download guest logs, click the Export button at the top right. Security screens are automatic reviews of a person's background and records against criminal databases, registries, and watch lists. They are conducted with the guest's name and date of birth. This information is collected by scanning the guest's ID. This should be a driver's license or state-issued ID. The iPad camera captures the full name and date of birth as indicated on the ID and sends it to our database provider, Checker. It's important to review the results because these are potential matches based on the name and sometimes the date of birth. If a potential match arises, you will be prompted to review a match on the Command Guest homepage or via an email or text alert. You then must, first, visually inspect the ID card provided by the guest against the information returned from the aggregated offender databases. 2. Indicate whether it's a match. 3. Provide final confirmation by admitting or denying entry. Front desk staff may want to opt in to receive relevant notifications, for example, when a guest signs in or when a security screening result needs to be reviewed. To do this, toggle notification to on at the top, then click notifications to customize notification preferences. Notifications can be sent as SMS, Slack, or Teams notifications. Events to be notified on include anytime a guest signs in, when a security screening needs review, when a security screening requires manual entry, which is usually in the case where a visitor is having trouble scanning their ID. Events for invited visitors are also displayed in the home page and can be managed from the Invites page. Staff members can sign in visitors who've registered for events ahead of time directly from the event. To do this, click the event on the right, find the visitor, and press Sign In. Otherwise, invited visitors can mark themselves present on the tablet. If a visitor has been denied entry for any reason, such as failing a questionnaire or their visit is denied by their host, the front desk staff can allow entry to a visitor if anything changes or a mistake was made. To do this, click the relevant visit log and then click Allow Entry. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, please visit our Knowledge Center or contact our 24/7 support team.